Many of us, consciously or unconsciously, like to make changes in our lives. The need for change can be concerning our education, profession, health, lifestyle, relationships, or spirituality. Perhaps we ardently desire about the necessity of change, yet find ourselves scarcely making any progress. At times, we make a progress, but tragically, we soon discover ourselves falling back to the same old rut. Why does it happen? Neil Donald Walsh, an American spiritual writer, says, yearning for a new way will not produce it. Only ending the old way can do that. You cannot hold on to the old all the while declaring that you want something new. The old will defy the new. The old will deny the new. The old will decry the new. There is only one way to bring in the new. You must make room for it. How can you make room for the new? Obviously, one good strategy is to end the old ways which are no longer helpful. At this moment, I invite you to think of the pain and misery that you might be experiencing in your lives or often tend to experience. Identify the thought or behavioral patterns which might be playing a role in producing pain, regret, and despair in your lives. For instance, one might realize that their spending excessive time on social media is blocking the deepening of their relationship with their dear ones or God. In this case, one cannot make room for a deeper relationship with dear ones or God unless they end the old pattern of excessive use of social media. The old must die to give birth to the new. Unless a seed dies, it cannot produce a new tree that gives abundant fruits. Change is painful, but not to change is more painful. Change can be very rough. Nevertheless, it is necessary for growth and happiness.